I hear you. I don't call you inside, call you now. I hear you. You know how they call you.
I know here. Now here are they.
I don't dey go work. I drop 750 or 60 for table. I don't go come today because see the time I dey go now. Tomorrow morning before I will come. I better try to use that money to manage how you can manage. You hear?
Okay.
I go come here.
Okay.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Tell me bye bye now.
Bye bye.
See, no vex. I know one day it go better. You know now. No vex. Don't try to remanage. I know say you be good woman. Try to remanage. One day, things go better. I go buy better motor for you. Yeah?
Amen.
Bye bye.
Awilo, we are better ato. Awilo, better ato.
Awilo, where have you been? I've been looking for you. Awilo, I've been looking for you.
I'm here now. I'm trying to clean the flower. Madam was complaining. I'm trying to clean the flower, sir.
Okay, no worry. You know what happened there? Awilo, I will send you to go and bring some package for me.
Alright, sir.
You understand?
Yes, sir.
So you meet. I've called Mr. Ernest. So I've told him that if you know Mr. Ernest now.
Yes, sir.
If you see me, you give. You just go to his shop.
Okay,
I've called him. I've talked to him. You understand?
Number 30.
Yes, you know that place. So when you collect the package, bring it to me. You know that beer parlor now?
Yeah, parlor. That place I come into that day.
Yes. You bring it over to me.
Okay, sir.
I have a guest. I'm waiting for you.
Alright, sir.
Yeah?
Alright, sir.
Don't worry.
Okay.
Just be true with.
Alright, sir.
Better person. We are Awilo, better person. We are Awilo.
Barman, you want more flying fish?
Mr. Friday. Man, ever since you have been having time with this woman.
Awilo. For past how many hours?
Sorry, sir.
Is this not you're bringing this package from to me?
Sorry, sir.
What's wrong with you?
There's no bike, sir.
That's why I don't like sending you an errand.
Sorry, sir.
Dude, oh my God.
Sorry.
Babe, since I've sent this my boy.
Anita, waiting. What is going on?
Anita! Who do you leave the children for?
Children.
What is this man saying?
Anita!
What is this man? Awilo,
Mr.
I'm here. What's wrong?
Like, what's going on?
Mr. Richard,
What's away here? What's happening?
Do you know this man?
this is my wife.
Your wife?
Jesus Christ.
The one I told you. This is my wife, Mr.
wife?
Richard.
You don't mean it.
So,
Mr. Freddy, can you believe?
because you have money, you correct my wife for me.
What is going on here?
I'm confused, I swear. I don't
Anita!
understand. What's going on?
I don't
Anita,
left you in the
do you
house
know this man?
Yes, I
with
do.
some money to
And he's
take
your
care of the
husband?
children.
Yes.
Oh.
And you are dating my boss,
No. Friday, count me out.
Mr. Richard.
Friday, count me out.
From today on,
Awilo, count me out.
I leave your job. I leave the work. No problem. But for you, Anita, upon the suffer, you know the insult Mr. Richard gave to me.
Awilo,
So
calm
give me
down.
salary to take care of you and the children.
Calm down. That's not going to
And
be
you
this.
are dating my boss.
Calm down. Awilo,
The marriage
calm
is
down.
over. You should not thinking of coming home.
Mr. Friday,
I will
can you
take
imagine?
care of the children. Thank you. Thank you.
Mr. William, can you imagine? What's about going through? Anita, why now? Why didn't you tell me you have kids and you are married? My boy, Awilo. Oh my God, Awilo, you've put me to shame. Put me to
Anita,
shame. What will the
How
words?
long have you been with this man?
God,
How long?
my God.
How many children do you have for him?
Hey, two kids.
This serious.
Oh, Anita, I thought you told me you are 23
Mr.
years old.
Mr. Richard.
Mr. William,
How will you be dealing with somebody that you don't even know? I don't understand. For how long have you guys been doing this thing?
brother, for the past 6 months, she never said anything to me. She never said anything to me.
And you never bother to at least.
How will I
find a way
know?
to
How
know
will
my
I
better.
know? How will I know? How will I know? This is our regular sport. This is where we do meet. How will I know?
See, listen to me, man. This is not good. Honestly, you really need to reach out to your boy.
feel ashamed. Look at my boy.
No, no, for of course you should feel ashamed. But this is so shameful. Come on yourself now. Dealing with a woman or like a married woman with 2 kids for a man that is working with you.
I don't know.
Oh man, fuck. Like I'm out of here, honestly.
I don't
can't
know.
take this shit. What the fuck? Can you imagine this?
Oh my god. Oh my god. My head just full. Anita, you didn't play me all along that you are married and you're with 2 kids. My boy, for that matter. I'm so ashamed. I don't know. I'm so ashamed.
Awilo, better. You know that I'm